I open it.
Okay. Today our lesson is draw angles. Today we're going to learn how to draw angles. Yesterday we learned how to measure the angle. Okay. To measure the angle, we use a tool. Which tool we use to measure angle? What tool we use it to measure angle? Who knows? What tool we use it to measure angle? Ruler, protractor, or what? We use what to measure angle? We use what? Which rule angle? We studied yesterday. Which measure we use it? Sorry, which unit we use it to measure angle? And which tool? We use protractor measure angle, and the unit of measuring angle is degree. Remember this. Okay, we use
Okay.
this protractor to measure angle, and the unit of measuring angle is degree. Okay. Okay. There are three steps to measure, or sorry, to draw angle. There are three steps to draw. Okay. As we know, angle contains two rays with the same end point. We learned angle contains of two rays. As we see here, have two rays like this, the same end point. I will draw another ray. So now I have angle. I have what? Angle.
Angle.
Yes, angle has vertex, the common point, or the common end point, and two rays called the two sides. This one side and the other side. Okay. Again, the angle has a vertex and two sides. The vertex, the end point for the two sides called the two rays. Okay. So to draw angle, specific measure, as you see here, show angle with 80 degrees. I have to follow three steps. First one, draw one of the sides or one ray, as you see, draw one ray. At the end point, this one it will be the vertex of the angle. Place, second step, place the protractor on the ray. The center of the protractor on the vertex, on the point ray. And then place the zero, then count from zero until you reach the measure given to you, which is 80. Count from 0 to 80, then place it by dot, like this. Then remove the protractor, then join this point. Okay, you place it by the end point of the ray. You draw it before. So now I have the angle. Okay. Okay. I will let you with this page to explain it. Again.
Hello, this is Mrs. Draw an angle that is greater than 20 degrees and less than 40 degrees. Measure and classify the angle.
Okay. In this video, consider the question is here. Consider the question is draw. I will write another question because here she asked about to draw angle between greater than 20 and less than 40. I will ask draw angle. Draw an angle with measure for example 35 degrees. Okay. Okay. Let's see the steps. Okay.
The first thing to do when
Guys, are you attention with me? Are you attention? The voice is clear? Please. Okay. Okay now. follow the video.
Draw an angle is to draw that initial ray.
First step means draw a ray, if one side of the sides of the angle. Okay, draw one ray. Okay, as
We
you see.
know that an angle is made up of two rays that share a common endpoint, which is called the vertex.
Okay,
Okay, I've drawn that first ray. Now I'm going to take the protractor and I'm going to move it so that this hole and this line line up with this endpoint and that ray.
okay, as you see, the second step, you have to place the protractor, the center of protractor, place it on the end point of the ray, okay, which is vertex of the angle, and then the 0 on the line, okay, then count according to 35, okay, as you see.
Alrighty. Because the angle is facing to the right, I'll be using this scale, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 degrees, and so on. So I'll be looking at this scale. We were told to draw an angle that is greater than 20 degrees. So here is the 20 degree mark and 40. There's the 40. So when I draw that second ray, I want it to fall somewhere in there. Here we go. We'll start at the vertex. And we're going to draw a ray that goes in between the 20 degrees and 40 degrees mark. 10, 20, 30. Notice this is right in between 30 degrees and 40 degrees. So I drew an angle that measures 35 degrees.
Is it clear? Guys, is it clear for all? Is it clear for all now? Draw angle. Okay, just draw one ray, which called the vertex or the side of the angle, and then at its end point of the ray, place the protractor with its center on the end point and the line of 0 on the ray from 0 until 35. What's given for you? 35, and then place it by the dot, and then join this one by the end point of the ray. Now you have the angle. Okay. Okay. Another example I will show you. In page 910, the guide practice. Draw an angle for each measure. Number 1, 20. Number 2, 45. In page 906. Number 1, draw an angle for each measure. Number 1, 20 degrees with 20 degrees. Okay, see the structure. Okay, here I have my protractor, as you see it. Okay, I will draw the first step. What? I will draw a ray, which is a side of the angle. Okay, okay, I will create a ray. Okay, as you see here, the ray. Now I have a ray, right? And I have my protractor. I will place my protractor. I will move it to place it on the ray. Where? In anywhere? No. The center of protractor, place it on the end point of the ray. And this 0 line, place it on the ray. Exactly. As you see. See? Like this. Center of protractor on the end point of the ray, and 0 line on the line or on the ray, as you see, comes the same. Okay, then count as we need here. The angle was measured what? is 20 degrees. So I will count from 0 to 10, 20. Then I will place, or I will put a dot. As you see here, I will put 20, 0, 10, 20, and then I will put opposite 20 like this. I will put dot. Okay, and then I have to match this dot by this end point by using my ruler and pencil. Okay, as you see. Okay. And then it will be like this. For what happened? Okay. As you see. So the angle, as you see, was measured 20 degrees. Okay. 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 Understand it, this one?
Yes.
Okay, Muhammad Faris. Okay, Muhammad, you want to answer what? Muhammad Faris. Yes, Muhammad.
I want to answer.
Okay, which one? Number 2. 2,
Yeah.
draw the angle with measure 45. Okay. Okay. Follow me, Muhammad. At the beginning here, I will use my protractor. Here I have a line. Okay, the first line with end point on center of the protractor. Then I will count from here, Muhammad, until what? 45. Okay, please. Okay, help me. Okay, I will count. 10.
Okay.
Okay, 20. 30. 40. Where's 45? See at the middle between 40 and 50. So this one will be what? 45. So, yes, excellent. So now I have an angle with measure 45. This one. Okay, is it for all? Guys, all of you, is it clear?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, and the next, now we draw number 1 and number 2. Okay, you can do it by yourself by using your protractor and ruler. Okay, next page 910. 910. Draw an angle for each measure. Okay. Number 4 with measure 10. Number 5 with measure 75. Number 6, 90 degrees. Number 7 with measure 115. Okay. Okay. I follow the steps. There are 3 steps. At the beginning, draw a line. Draw a line. As you see, this is the line. We use it to I will place the protractor on the line. Okay, where I will place the center of the protractor, where I should place it? Anywhere on the line? Anywhere?
No.
Where?
The end point.
The end point. X. And the Z will be same exactly on the ray. And then we have to count from 0 until 10. Okay, we count to place for 10. 10 is here, right? I will make a ray here. Now I have the angle with measure 10 degree as you see. Okay. Next one with measure number 5 with measure 75. Okay, 75. Okay, I have here my protractor and the first ray I draw already, and then I have to place it on exactly on the ray, center of protractor on the end point of the ray, and from 0 I have to count from 0 and 75. Okay, so where is 75? Between 70 and 80. So I will draw the angle like this between 70 and 80, which will be 75 and 70 and 80. I have the angle with 75 as you see. Okay. Then another one with measure 90. Number 6, 9, 7. Okay, but let me write the number of. Wait, this was number 1. Question number 1 with 20 degrees. Number 1. And this is number 2. It was how many degrees? Number 2, it was 45, I think. Yes, 45. Number 2 is 45 degrees. This is number 4. 10 degrees. This is number 5. What? With 75 degrees. Okay, now we are going to draw number 6 with 90 degrees. Okay, here I have the ray, and then I will bring my protractor. I have to place it on the ray. Okay, make or draw angle with measure 90. Here from this side What kind of the angle with 90 degrees, guys? It would be what? Acute, right, or obtuse? It would be what? It would be right angle. So this is number. Okay, and then last one with number 7 with 115 degrees. 115. Okay, I have a question. I can draw the angle with the other direction from the other one. Yes, I can. From this side, I can draw angle. As you see here, from left to the right. Okay, I can draw angle with measure 115. Okay, start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110. Where is 100? 110, 115 between 100 and 100, the middle. So now I have the angle with 115 as T. Okay, now I have the angle with measure 115. Okay. Now I have number 6 with 90 degrees. I can just put square corner inside it. This means 90 degrees. Okay. And this one, number 7, 115 degrees. Okay, now you have the answer from number 1 to number 7. It's number 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and number 7. Okay, you can watch the video again and stop it, and then go and using your protractor and ruler to check your answer. Okay, after finish this session. Okay, guys. Okay. Anyone has a question about these angles? I have
No.
I think for this. Okay, Roxanne. Okay. Anyone have a question? Okay. Yes.
I have a strong character.
What? The SPS CSA?
No, teacher.
I saw you answered the homework yesterday, right?
Yes, teacher. It worked.
Yeah. Okay. But you have one mistake. The last one, the questions. Okay. I noticed that.
Teacher, can you repeat number 2?
Number 2. Okay.
Yeah.
I have here with measure about 45. Measure 45. Wait.
No, I mean the guided practice.
Which one, Muhammad? Number 2? Again?
Yeah.
Again, number 2 for Muhammad.
No, in the guided practice.
The guide practice, number 2. Okay. I do it here. This is number 2, 45 degrees. As you see, the guide practice, number 2. This is number 2, Muhammad. 45. Number 3, 100. Okay. Number 2, 45, Muhammad. Okay, I'll draw number 3 again. Also, this one. Okay, I will place the protractor. Sorry, first I will draw the line or a ray. Will place the protractor, as we see, in the center of protractor. Place it on the end point of the ray. Then I have to count from 0 until 45. 20, 30, 40, 40 and 50, as you see. Then, okay, this is for 45. Number 2. Now I want to draw angle with 100, which is angle at 100. Okay, with 100 measured here. Okay, from this side, or I can make it from the other side. Okay, I will change direction from the other side to record it. As you see, like this, from 0 to 110. So now I have the angle with 100 degree. This is number 3. With measure is 100 degrees. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. All how to draw. For more practice, you still have 2 pages, 905, 906, and 907 for mini practice. Okay, you can. Okay. And the number 135. Okay. Okay. Here in number 10 and 11. Okay. Angle between the given point. Okay. And classify each angle. Okay, as acute, right, or obtuse. Number 10 and 11. Write an angle with measure between 0 and 20. 0 and 20. So I have to use my protractor and my ruler to draw an angle with measure between 0 and 20, which is maybe 10, 15, 18, 17, as you like. Okay, but I have to write here the angle with measure what you choose, which which measure or which degree between 0 and 20. I can write, for example, 15, 17, as you like. For example, I will write 17 here. Remember, I will write 17. I will write here 17. Okay, and I will write 17 degrees. And what the type of the angle is measured? 17. 17 is less than 90 or greater than 90? Yes, less than 90 means acute angle, as we learned it before. Okay, okay, so this is acute. Will be acute angle. .17 not fixed. Okay, as you like, make it 15, make it 10, make it 1, 5, as you like, okay? But I given an example for 17. Number 11 was 90, between 90 and 120. Okay, someone make it 91, 92, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 117. Okay, but don't draw it with 90 or 120. Choose any one of them. Okay, Muhammad, I will take you now. Okay, for example, 105 degree. It will be what? It will be what? 105. Acute, right, or obtuse? There is Muhammad. Muhammad Maibid. Yes, Muhammad. Yes, Muhammad. Question? Yes.
Why you put acute?
Okay. Because Muhammad asked you after you draw the angle between, okay, the two measurements given to you, okay, write the type of the angle. Right, which type this angle? Acute, right, or obtuse, as you see in the question here. Draw an angle between the given measurements, okay, and then measure the angle and classify each angle as acute, right, or obtuse. Between 0 and 20, I choose 17. 17 is acute. And the number 11, between 90 and 120, I choose it 105, for example. You can write as you like, which one is greater than 90 but less than 120. Okay, this one will be what? Acute. You can answer this. It will be what? Acute, right? Or it will be what?
يلا شربهم عادي يفهمون.
Okay, it will be optic. And then you have to draw measures. Now, I'm going to measure. Here. Okay. Okay, here. Okay, right here. Okay.
ماما
Draw two angles.
بيقول ماما
17
درجة
with 17. I will draw the angle here. I will use my protractor. Draw first. Okay. Array. Then count from 0 to 17. Where is 17? Here 10. Right. 15, 17. As you see here. 10, 15, 16, 17. It's exactly 17. So now I draw angle with measure 17, as you see. It will be like this. What about 105? I will take my protractor in the other place to draw an angle. 105, I will make it to the other side. Okay, I have to reset. Okay, at 105. So count 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Where is 105? Here between 100 and 100, like this. So now I have the angle with 105. Here I have it with 17. Here I have it with 17 degrees. And here I have it with 105 degrees. The answers of the two questions. Okay? This is question number 10 and 11. Number 10. And this is number. Okay. Now already we finished.
Already finished.
Yeah. Your homework and your book. Okay. Is it clear for all? Now the homework will be page number.
Teacher, what's the more?
In your book, okay, please, guys, all of you, please, in your book, page number 909, 909, please,
This homework.
909. Draw these angles, okay, in your book, and then send to me by WhatsApp, please, to check your answers. 109, please, and 910. Okay, this is your homework. This is your homework. Please send to me by WhatsApp. Send to me by WhatsApp, please, guys. This is your homework for today. Is homework page 909 and 910. Okay, send to me by WhatsApp. Okay? And my contact number. Send to my WhatsApp. Okay, please send this more 909, 910. Okay, by WhatsApp. Okay, have a good day. And see you soon.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.